So the DJI camera doesn't work. I never thought I would ever say this sentence. From finally purchasing my dream camera and thinking I would vlog, make my cute videos, all for it not to work. I was literally on the internet, on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, trying to find a solution, or messaging the DJI support team, getting a very heartbreaking response, trying to fix it, find a solution. It was a whole lot. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I did not find any useful information online. So you should definitely watch it before ever purchasing a DJI camera.
I've been having like the worst few days. I got back from Lagos on Sunday. Today is what's today? No, I got back from Lagos on Saturday. Today is Monday, Tuesday. Oh my god, I can't think. But I finally unboxed my camera, and guess what? It's not working. Actually, I need to activate the camera before I can use it, and it's meant to be a seamless process. Like, I've watched a bunch of videos, I've watched so many things, and it was like a click here, and you're done. But that was not my case, and now I have to go and return the camera for them to activate it, and if they can't, I'll get a new one. But like, the place is in Lagos. I bought it from Lagos, so now I have to send it back to Lagos, and they will not send it back to me. And I really wanted to start using my camera. And honestly, I was just thinking, like, yesterday I literally sat on my chair yesterday from 10 a.m, not even 10, from 9 a.m up till 4 p.m trying to activate this camera. I texted a bunch of creators online, some of them replied. I texted DJI support, and they told me that the serial number, from the serial number, they can see that it was obtained by an illegal distributor, like it's not their distributor, so they cannot activate it for me from their server, because it's from their server I'm having issues. So they flagged that serial number, and I'm just thinking, why is Nigeria always like this? Like, can't we do things the proper way? And they will now make us suffer, because now I have to do another logistics with this thing, and I have to look for someone that I can trust, because this thing is not cheap. It is not cheap at all. And I'm just like frustrated, and I wanted to rant. Honestly, because of this situation, I've realized how far I've come with managing my emotions. Because if it was me like 2 years ago or a year ago, my chest would be paining me now. I'm just starting this vlog like this, but honestly, I woke up and I was like, I'm just going to have a good day. My work is going to start probably next week or this week. I've not yet gotten a letter on when we're going to start, but I was just like, I don't want to start my first day with a down mindset or feel down. So yeah, I just literally woke up, but that is what I was thinking. And yeah, welcome to a new vlog. Sorry guys, I would do another unboxing, and hopefully they can activate it. Not even hopefully, like, they have to activate it, or just give me my money back and I'll buy it somewhere in Port Harcourt for my well-being and for my mental health. But anyway guys, good morning, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. I'm going to dress up, do my routine, and finally go and get this to the person that is going to help me deliver it to Lagos. So let's see how that goes, and hopefully I can get my new camera or my camera back this week. I'm just happy they're taking it back, because they know what they did. They know that's why they're taking it back. But anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Okay guys, hi. I was ranting this morning, but I'm dressed up and ready to go, and it's currently, oh, what's the time? I don't have my watch here, but I think it should be 9 by now. But yeah, so we're returning the camera. I'm sending it back to Lagos. The thing I'm happy for is that my sister is in Lagos, so it'll be easier for the whole thing to go smoothly. But this is the camera. Let me open it up for you guys so you can see. But I basically put it back in the pack for them, but this is it. And let me show you the camera. Is going back to Lagos because I can't deal. Where is it? So this is it. Like, I'm so sad because I wanted to start filming, but yeah, this is it. I basically wrapped it up perfect for them again because I was careful when I was unboxing, so everything is still basically intact. But yeah, I won't turn it on because there is no need for that. It's going back, and I'm happy because of the person that is helping me to deliver it. It's also a gadget store, so they understand how to deliver gadgets, and if anything happens, I have someone to hold, but rather than using GIG or DHL, and because they are mad expensive, so this would be a cheaper option for me and also still reliable. So that is what I am going for. Let me put this back in the box. But yeah, that is what I'm going to do now, and everything will work smoothly because I have prayed about it. Like, literally I've prayed about it, so I'm not going to fuss about anything. But let us head out. So I'm going back to Lagos. Let me put it back in the bag. Let's going back. Going to do, it's very sunny today, so we're going to put on our sunglasses and head out, and I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Also, I'll be getting my offer letter and my posting letter today. I'm really hoping I get the department I want because I don't want any other stress again. So let me get my purse, then my bag, and put on my perfume, and we can finally head out. Yeah.
Have pen and paper that I can write the address and phone number.
Just send it to me on WhatsApp.
Okay, I'll send it to you on WhatsApp.
You can do it now, so I can do it now.
Okay, I'll do it now. If I want to send it back, like from Lagos back to Port Harcourt, how will I do it?
Okay, that one will be the company to have to design that one.
Okay, she has to go directly to your person, or do you have
You can send directly to us.
Okay.
Or
You have a guy?
me?
Yes.
No, not like a guy. You use GIG now.
Okay.
The same I'm sending you first, the same issue.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah, I understand.
If you just use my address, it will be cheaper. That way.
Okay. Where's your POS?
Asito. Anything for me?
Everything for you.
Plug it, side. Use that. Use that. That woman. It's not today that she'll supply that window.
Stopped at the market to get biscuits and some snacks, so I'm heading back home now. Yeah, I'm coming, heading back home now, and I can finally rest. Oh, I think they're doing construction here. I'm heading back home now. I've gotten my biscuits. Sorry. So let's go back home.
Okay guys, it's been 2 weeks and no update on my camera yet. I honestly don't think about it too much if I'm going to get super mad, and I've not filmed, vlogged anything. Like, everything has been on pause because I literally just want to film on my camera. But we're going to vlog today. Today is my auntie's store opening and she sent an invite. I've been so busy, I got posted to my work. It has been a whole lot. I've done my first week on the new job, but yeah, we're going for her store event. She sent this package this week. Today is Saturday, by the way. Today is the 2nd of May, so happy new month, guys. It is so amazing how the year has come to May. Like, flew back. But on a side note, we got an invite to her opening. Crystal sent Maison de Parfum House of Perfume. So let's do a quick unboxing because it was literally cute. So I got a card. This construction, please just, I don't have my mic yet, so we're just going to deal with the noise together. So the first thing is this scroll. It has Crystal Scent grand opening 2nd of May. I love how detailed, like she pays attention to every single detail. Should I get my mic? Let me get my mic because this noise is a lot.
Okay, so I had to get my mic. The day they finish this construction, I'll literally do Thanksgiving because I'm over it. But anyways, I got this scroll. This is the scroll, very pretty. So let's do this. So let me just put you guys here because like I need to use my hands and all. I really hope it's still as clear. Okay, I hope you guys can still hear me clearly. So this is what is written. It says Crystal Maison de Parfum. Some journeys are defined not by where they begin, but by the passion and resilience that carry them forward. With heartfelt gratitude to the fragrance community that has supported this journey, you are cordially invited to celebrate the grand opening of Crystal Scent Maison de Parfum on Saturday, 2nd of May, 12 noon. The autograph 30 Sani Abacha Road, GRA Phase 3, Port Harcourt, River State. Join us as we open the doors to our first Maison de Parfum, a new chapter written together with the fragrance family. Love, Emily Amoshika Crystal Scent. So I'm getting the mic close because like if you live in Port Harcourt, River State, and you're looking for where you can get like affordable luxury perfumes at good price, and I love the store. Like guys, you're going to see the store. It is so amazing. My auntie is the person that if she pays attention to every single detail, she's a very detailed person. She loves things to be a certain way, and I'm super proud of her because, like, I literally seen this whole journey through the falls, through the setbacks, through everything, and I'm super happy for her, and I cannot wait to celebrate her. And yeah, this is so amazing. I really love when businesses brands do amazing things and she's doing just that. Like she's a very hands-on owner, CEO. So you guys should definitely pull up. You can order online if you don't live in Port Harcourt. You can order on our website. Check Crystal Scent on Instagram. You can find the link to our website. Everything is on there. Literally just show your love and say you came from Tori, and I'll be super happy about that. So let's just get into what's the goodie bag that is inside here because she did her own thing on this. Like she did her own thing on this. So let's get into that. So I'm gonna put you guys back on. So the first thing is this scarf. Mind you, I've already unboxed this on my live. It's just that I've not had time to film because sometimes everything's going on. But she sent a pretty scarf, so I get to style it however I like. It's a very pretty big scarf, by the way, so I'm super happy about that. And another thing, what's a goodie bag for a perfume opening without having a perfume itself? So she sent this lovely perfume from Bath and Body Works. One thing about me, my Bath and Body Works is done, and a funny story is that the Bath and Body Works I was currently using, she's the one that gifted it to me on Christmas. So this is so amazing, and she sent this Japanese cherry blossom Bath and Body Works. So yeah, I can't wait to use it. I've already smelt it before and it smells amazing. So I cannot wait to spray this on. But yeah, guys, so we're going to head out. My mom and I were going for the store opening. We're going a bit early. It starts by 12, but we want to go very early so that we can pray, congratulate her, do our own family thing, then before people start coming in. So we want to leave very early. We plan on leaving by 11. I only have like 3 minutes before it's 11, so let's just quickly do an OOTD and we can get to the event. So definitely show your love and congratulations once again to my auntie Emily Crystal Scent on your new store opening, and I cannot wait for more store openings and greater heights for you. Bye.
So we
great event. Please put your hands together for the fantastic. Smells really, really good. This is Bigal Golden Kiss, and it's something I've been wanting to try for a while, so I'm so happy. It smells really, really nice. It smells really good. This is the one that I have at home, but like, yeah, you should definitely come and try this. It's really, really good. Really good. You should smell it.
Crystal sense is on the perform.
This is really good. Really, really good. It smells amazing.